Hello Near team, my name is Alex and I am the lead developer at RedStone Oracles, and now I'd like to describe the project I've submitted to the Near hackathon, which is called Scalable, Oracles for Scalable Chain. So you probably already know, but oracles are services that provide real-world data to the blockchains, and oracles data is extremely important for majority of use cases in DeFi. For example, lending protocols, synthetic assets, parametric insurance, and many other use cases would not be possible without oracle data. And the total value secured by oracles has already reached $20 billion, and it's constantly growing. So the problem with the current oracles is that they are not truly scalable. And even though Near is extremely performant and very scalable blockchain, it still cannot be scalable enough without truly scalable oracles. And such situation limits Near scaling and driving DeFi mass adoption. And as a solution, I've decided to integrate RedStone oracles, which are actually very scalable, with the Near chain, which is also very scalable. And I hope it will unlock the real potential of the Near blockchain. So let me describe briefly what's the problem with scalability of other oracles. So the main difference between other oracles and RedStone is that RedStone data providers do not put data on chain, while other oracles data providers need to do this. So if they would like to increase data update frequency, or if they would like to provide way more types of data, their costs will skyrocket, and their fees, their commission would be just too high for end users and for consumer protocols. So instead of this, RedStone oracle providers do not put data on chain, they only sign it and broadcast, and end users can self-deliver the data by themselves. So they can attach data from signed data to their transactions, and then smart contract will verify data integrity using signatures and timestamps. So let's quickly see what kind of data is already available and provided by RedStone. So if you go to app.redstone.finance, you can see different types like cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, NFT floor prices, even entropy data. So if you, for example, check the Near token, you can see that we use a lot of different sources to get the trusted value. We take the median value. You can also specify your own data feeds using URL and JSON path. And yeah, we fetch data from different places. During the hackathon, I was focused on building tooling required so that developers on Near can just easily integrate RedStone with any technology they want, with Rust or JavaScript or even Solidity on Aurora, but it actually was available before the hackathon. During the hackathon, I've implemented tooling for Rust and for JavaScript, and also implemented sample dApps. So let's check one of this sample dApp on Near. Let's go to the Near dApp example.redstone.finance, signing with the Near wallet, and let's connect. And let's click the button, and we actually currently requesting RedStone payload and sending a call to the real Near smart contract on the Near testnet, and we fetch the oracle data from the Near smart contract. So this is the end-to-end integration. The app is very simple, but it's intended to be very simple so that developers can easily understand what's going on here. In terms of our team and project, we have more than 10 people currently on board, and we are operating for more than a year. We've delivered more than 5 billions of signed oracle data points. We already started collaboration with Near projects, some of Near projects like SpinFi, and we recently closed a 7 million seed round led by Lemniscap. So we have a lot of energy and willing to create the next generation of oracles. This is our core team. In terms of the next steps, we would like to perform code audits, promoting the Near ecosystem, get feedback, and probably improve our tools and docs, and maybe in future implement some cool technologies like threshold signatures to make the system even more scalable and secure. Thank you very much for your attention, and let's do cool things together.